Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make butter and ghee. Begin by gathering heavy cream, a whisk or mixer, a fine cloth, and a heavy pan for clarifying. Chill your tools slightly and work in a cool kitchen to help fats separate cleanly. Cold tools and steady technique make a big difference when churning and clarifying. I'll walk you through simple steps so you get rich butter and clear, nutty ghee. Start with cold heavy cream and a chilled bowl to make butter quickly and cleanly. Use a stand mixer or hand mixer and whip until the butterfat clumps and the liquid buttermilk separates. Drain the buttermilk, then press and rinse the butter under cold water until the water runs clear. Salt to taste, if desired, and store in an airtight container in the fridge to maintain freshness and flavor. To make ghee, gently simmer unsalted butter over low heat until water evaporates and milk solids sink and brown slightly. Skim off foam as it appears and reduce heat to prevent burning. Watch closely for a clear golden color and a warm, nutty aroma which signals readiness. Strain the liquid through a fine cloth into a clean jar. Let it cool, then seal and store where it stays shelf-stable and fragrant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.